Struggling with extensive tooth loss? Discover the transformative power of full mouth restoration using the All-on-4 implant technique with a fixed or removable prostheses. Extensive tooth loss can significantly impact daily life. Full mouth rehabilitation is a comprehensive solution for restoring function and aesthetics. The All-on-4 technique utilizes 4 strategically placed dental implants per jaw, providing a stable foundation for a new set of teeth. A fixed prosthesis is a permanent set of teeth attached securely to the implants, offering stability, natural appearance, and improved chewing function. A removable prosthesis offers the convenience of easy cleaning and maintenance, while still providing significant improvement in comfort and function. Full mouth rehabilitation using All-on-4 implants can transform your smile, restore confidence, and enhance your overall quality of life. Regain your smile, your confidence, and your life with full mouth rehabilitation using All-on-4 implants. Call Bell Family Dental at 718-224-4646 for a free consult with a dentist trained in full mouth rehabilitation to determine the best approach for your unique case.